अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे जेफरी चौसर को। जेफरी चौसर वाज एन इंग्लिश पोइट, ऑथर एंड सिविल सर्वेंट बेस्ट नोन फॉर द कैंटरबरी टेल्स. He has been called a father of English poetry. Born in 1340 and died in 1400. An author and its age are interlinked. An author as his age are mutually interactive, so every work has a reflection of its age. Similarly, Chaucer's poetry is written in historical context. Reading Chaucer's means reading all the feature of his age. Apart from the projection of their own age, great authors have even universal appeal. Chaucer is one of the best writers. Chaucer age a transitionary period. Chaucer's age was an age of transition. His age was old with little changes, as we can say that it was both medieval and modern. It was born at such a period of British history when he could observe the old times, giving away the new trends globally. 14th century was most England medieval and brave. The poem were religious minded, superstitious and backward. But the beauty of this age was that it was not stuck. It was glow toward Reformation and Renaissance, which actually came after two centuries. It has a spirit of both the ages, the one which was passing and the one which was approaching. 100 years of war. One of the remarkable incidents of Chaucer's age was the war between England and France. It extended over the period of almost 100 years. That's why it was known as 100 Years' War. This war had two major influences on English poetry. It developed nationalism among the people and demolished the barriers between the noble and the commoners. The age of chivalry. An important feature of Chaucer's age was that it was an age of chivalry. Chivalry was in traditional norms of this age. It was a combination of certain values, love, war and religion. Those people who considered to be a very chivalrous, who were brave and devoted. The church. Chaucer's age was an age of religious absolutism. After the nobility, the other strange pillar of the English social life was the church. Roman Catholicism was the most popular faith in England. The clergy churchman was very influential and has spiritual power over people, and power leads to corruption. The Catholic Church in England was mostly corrupt and materialistic. A literary and intellectual trend. It was an age of domination and Latin and French in education circle. Latin was the language of Bible and the clergy. It retained the status even after the Romans left England. After the Roman conquest, French became the official language of England. However, English emerged in second half of the 14th century. It was made the official language of England. The people like Chaucer's Wycliffe adopting it as a medium of their writing and popularization. Reformation. We see series of reformation in Chaucer's poetry. Through the Reformation as a movement, we find him highly critical of the corruption in our ranks of the church. Conclusion. Chaucer laid the foundation of English poetry. His role is the development of English as a language is remarkable. The books are आगे इसकी बुक्स को पढ़ लें. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. See you soon. अल्लाह हाफिज़.